Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will show you a Angular module which allows you to render Markdown with live preview. So this is an Angular library, ngx-markdown, the name of the package. And with the help of this, you can actually render Markdown inside the browser with live preview and syntax highlighting as well. We are using Prism JS library. You can see this is your Markdown, and side by side you are seeing the live preview of it as well. So this is our highlight. You can add as many elements, and as you write it, you will see the actual live preview on the right hand side. We can even have the source code highlight as well. This is a source code. We have unordered list, ordered list. It is appearing as you can see. You can simply paste valid Markdown right here, and simply on the right hand side you will see the live preview. So this is actually the package here. Just go to npmjs.com, just search for the package ngx markdown. So this is a simple Angular package which shows the live preview of whatever markdown that you paste. It renders right directly in the browser. It's a very popular package. The command is very simple. You simply install this package. It's almost having 208,000 weekly downloads. So I will show you a complete example. So the very first thing we need to do, we need to register this module. So this is a very basic Angular project. So need to go to this file, which is your app.config.ts. So this is, we are using the latest version of Angular, which is 20. So inside this we have this app.config.ts file. So first of all, you need to import this line from this module. We have this function provide markdown, so you need to include this from this package ngx markdown, and then inside the providers we are simply passing it this function provide markdown. This is actually a function, and apart from that you also include the syntax highlighting library of Prism.js, which is a source code highlighting library. So we are simply including all the necessary JavaScript and the CSS things. And after that you need to go to this file app.component.html file right here, and here you just need to simply paste the code here for syntax highlighting. So we will have a simple text area where we will render all our markdown. So we have the text area element, and here we'll be binding a simple ng model directive. So we basically give this ng model directive right here, and here you simply say the markdown. This needs to be a parameter in the text area itself. You need to write like this. So now we will have basically the actual markdown component which will be responsible for this. So we simply say this markdown. So here you simply declare it by the markdown opening tag and the closing tag, and in between this it takes a whatever data attribute that you want to highlight. You simply say data, and you pass actual markdown that you want to render out. So here we declared a variable of markdown. So we basically need to declare a simple class here which will be variable binding. So now you can see on the right hand side, side by side, whatever markdown that you paste, it is highlighting directly in the browser. You can see we have this heading, we have this source code highlighting as well. So similarly you can have any sort of code highlighting. You simply write the name of the language. So as you can see, this is for Python language. This is here TypeScript. We are using syntax Prism highlighting library in this to highlight source code. Then we have this ordered list, unordered list. So you simply have this markdown component right in the HTML. You pass the data, whichever markdown data that you want to highlight in this attribute, and you have a simple text area. We binded this variable, So all these variables we have declared in the TypeScript here. You can see app.component.typescript, and inside this file at the very top we are using the forms module of Angular, which is built in, and then we are including this built-in package ngx-markdown. From this we are including this method markdown component, and right here we are declaring this markdown, whatever markdown that you want to highlight. So we simply declare it, and now in the HTML we are passing it inside this component, which is markdown. So in this easy way, guys, you can highlight markdown in the browser using this Angular package of ngx markdown. So simply install it and start using it. And also check out my website, guys, freemediatools.com, which contains unlimited tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next live stream.